got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I keep calling you my lover and move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. I'm shaking, falling onto my knees.
And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder
you should go and love yourself. Okay, yeah, you should go and do that. And I'll be over here without you, where the truth at? Cause all that love you getting online went straight to your head and it took the place of mine, okay? And I'ma let you do your thing, but if I see you hit my phone, I think you're perfect, baby, even with your flaws. You ask what I like about you, ooh, I love it all.
we don't have to be ordinary. Make your best mistakes. We don't have time to be sorry. So baby, be the life of the party. I'm telling you to take.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now.
I just wanna make you smile for me, smile for me. All I wanna do is make you, I wanna make you smile for me, smile for me. Everything is better when you, when you smile.
On your phone again, Irene?
Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Harris. I was making Musical.ly.
This is the third time today I'll be seeing you at detention.
Wait, so we can make it Musical.ly together?
This girl needs help.